What's up guys, I'm Zach and welcome back to another video. Now today we've got quite an exciting video, personally to me because I'm a huge fan of the Adidas Samba. Of course, I recently jumped on the trend as the momentum has been growing for that model. I thought it was only right to pick up a pair. Now, once I picked up a few of these Samba models, they've been in my rotation every single day. And guys, I'm not lying, I don't know if you can see the creases on this pair here, the scuffs, the dirty marks. But this pair has been on my feet every day. And honestly, it's been between this, the Kith collaboration with the green on the back, which is absolutely astonishing. Love that pair. The Sporty and Rich collab with the black and white. And I also have the Sporty Rich collab with the green and white, which personally is my favorite out of all of them. However, as you can see, the black and white pair is just so wearable. The colorway is so clean. I've been wearing this every single day. Now, whilst that is a great thing, and of course, they look great as you wear them. It's one of those silhouettes like an Air Force One or a Jordan that, you know, the more you beat it up, the more it actually has a little bit of personality, some character. And I really love that about this silhouette. However, I did want to mix up my rotation because I've been wearing this every single day and I thought it was time for a new silhouette. And I've been looking around and I wanted something Samba-esque, but not quite a Samba. And that's when I came across the Adidas Army. Now, I believe this is an older silhouette that Adidas is bringing back, and I do believe that they're going to push this quite heavily in the future. However, they are bringing back just this very sleek, very wearable silhouette and color scheme on this model for their first release. Now, I have seen this pop up on quite a few retailers, and whilst you can pick it up pretty much in any size right now, I do believe in time these guys are going to sell out. So if you are thinking about picking up a pair, I'm going to quickly give you a little spoiler alert. Jump on this pair now while you can. Get it for retail. Don't be searching for your size. Just get it now. That's pretty much the verdict of the video in the first 5 seconds. With that being said, let's actually get into some of the details about this silhouette. First off, let's just talk about the similarities between this and the Samba. Now, shape-wise, it's pretty much identical. Let's be honest. It's very sleek. It's very slender. And of course, you've got that beautiful toe box, which the Samba is known for. However, the only detail here that sort of differentiates itself from the Samba is the fact instead of the toe box ending here, which would normally go down on the Samba, it does go up there, which I think is honestly such a very unique and honestly, I think it just sort of rounds out the silhouette. It's very stylish. And of course, I don't know if you guys have seen this, the Mason Margiela replica sneakers. It's pretty much a one-to-one version of those sneakers, which of course is a copy of this Adidas silhouette from back in the day. So there's sort of this exchange of, you know, respect, I guess you could say, between Mason Margiela and Adidas. Now, bringing this back to the model, the quality on this, guys, when it comes to quality, it's something I talk about a lot in my videos, especially about sneakers, because at the end of the day, you want a quality pair, and if you're going to wear them a lot, you don't want them to fall apart. You want to be comfortable. So getting into the quality of this model, I'm lost for words here. I'm extremely happy for the quality you get for the price point. Now, I did pay $180 for this, which I believe is beyond worth it. Honestly, that's even cheaper than most of the Sambas that I picked up. Probably because I've been sticking to the collab version of the Sambas. But with that being said, for $180, this is without a doubt worth the price. Now, getting back into the quality, the leather is made of this super soft and plush leather throughout. Very high quality, very reminiscent to the leather used on the Sporty and Rich Adidas Samba collaboration. Now, I would say this is definitely better than the sort of OG and GR pairs of the Adidas Samba. Now, whilst those pairs are still great, they're going to age beautifully. The leather on them is a little bit subpar. However, on here, the leather is quite premium. And that also extends right down to the suede, of course, used throughout that front bit of the toe box and, of course, on the side there. I really just love the overall color scheme used throughout this, because honestly, it's just so wearable with anything. Like, throw it on with some jeans, some cargo pants, some chinos even. Chinos, I know, I would never wear chinos, but I'm just saying, if that's your style, you can get away with this. You know what, even throw it on with some suit pants, and I know this silhouette is going to look so clean. Now, getting into some other details about the fact that, you know, other than the fact that it is a quality sneaker after all, is the comfort. Now, comfort was something I was a little bit concerned about, and it was something I was concerned about when I first picked up the Adidas Samba, because To me, that just looks like a flat sneaker, which also equates to not exactly being comfortable. However, I don't know about you guys, but I actually find the Samba extremely comfortable. And I was so worried about it. It's something that sort of deterred me from picking up a Samba for quite a while. It's just because I thought, man, this silhouette is not going to be comfortable. It reminded me of a Jordan, how flat it is, or an Air Force One. And whilst the sneakers, you know, you can get away with it for an hour or two, they're not the most comfortable sneakers. However, Samba's super comfortable, and that extends right onto this Army sneaker right here from Adidas. It is super comfortable. You can wear this all day long. I've only been wearing it for like a day or two now, so it still looks quite fresh, but believe it or not, these are going to get beaten into the ground because look at them. They're going to be in my rotation every week now. So they're slowly going to get their own sort of personality here. A little bit of a scarf, a little bit of a dirty muck here, crease there or two. And honestly, I'm actually excited to start beating these pairs up because I think this is going to age beautifully. But with that being said, getting back into the comfort, yes, super comfortable. Don't worry about it whatsoever. And that also extends into sizing. Now, I do typically run a size US 12 in all my Nike, all my Jordan, and Adidas for the most part. And I did pick up a size 12 in this silhouette here, and there is no problems whatsoever. I was a little bit worried because I am typically on the wider side of the sort of spectrum in terms of my foot. However, these were comfortable, and I wouldn't recommend going down or up a size whatsoever. Stick your true to size for your best fit. And if you are in between sizes, because I believe they don't have half sizes in these, I would recommend just going up the extra half size personally. With that being said, there's not really much more I can say about this silhouette other than the fact that it's absolutely so clean. It's definitely worth getting into your wardrobe rotation because after all, this is a sneaker you can wear every day with anything. For the quality, for the price, I honestly don't really have any cons here. It's all pros. The whole list is pros, honestly. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed the on-feet portion. I am trying to mix it up for a little bit more of a different sort of silhouette in terms of what pants I do wear with these models, just to sort of give you an idea with my future sneaker videos that I'll mix it up and have a different, you know, sort of pant worn throughout the video, just so you can get a look of different type of styles to be worn with the sneaker. I think I'm just rambling on here because it's quite early in the morning. I'm quite tired. I honestly just wanted to get this video out for you guys. With that being said, I hope you did enjoy. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are thinking about picking up a pair. Guys, one more time, I'm just going to say it right now. You want to pick up this pair. If you have a Samba, diversify your wardrobe and pick up this pair because you're going to love it. And if you don't have a Samba yet and you've been thinking about it, screw the Samba because, listen, everyone's getting Sambas right now. You want to be a little bit different. You want to mix it up. These are going to catch some eyes. People are going to be like, wait, what is that? That's not a Samba, but it looks very similar. And you're going to say, hey, I'm on it early before the hype train heads off from the station. With that being said, guys, once again, if you enjoyed today's video, the best way to show your support is to drop a like down below. With that being said, I have a lot more videos on the way. So if you want to see more content of me, Zach, in the future, feel free to subscribe down below as well. With that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope to see you in the next one. See ya.